kaya, ang tanong, kaya bang masustain itong price cap sa basic goods for at least a month or 30 days?
Well, it really depends on the management of the manufacturers, no? Kasi syempre, depende sa supply ng kanilang raw materials. Kung marami pa silang raw materials at di pa kailangan magpasok ng panibagong raw materials, enough for another 30 days production, maybe, probably.
But
Also,
is it up to them? Dahil po hindi ba meron nang mga nag-angat ng kanilang mga presyo sa gasolina na ito naman ay stock nila, inventory. Pero tinaasan na rin nila.
correct. Kasi what I'm saying is, if for example, wala silang raw materials, stop ang production. And that will happen sooner kapag mamili ng marami ang mamimili. No? Agad nag-panic buy, for example. No? There were experiences of increased buying, but I noticed that those who were buying were those people who had businesses to run. So they needed the supplies, no, for their businesses.